Hi all, this is Cheryl Bullock and I'm your research course instructor. I've been reading through the first project submissions and I'm actually really impressed. I want to say be sure, even if you got a relatively high grade, you check my feedback because I'm spending like an hour on each of these and providing some really good feedback. So as I read through, one of the things I understand or one of the things that I believe is misunderstood are the hierarchy of research. This is a common thing, but I created this little hierarchy and I want to talk you through it. So the first thing you have in this hierarchy of research is you have a family of research. And that might be qualitative or quantitative, or in some cases, it might be a mixed methods family of research. So that's your first level in your hierarchy. So you need to understand first, are you doing qualitative, quantitative, mixed methods? Yay, good news. This one, you're only doing quantitative. So you're in the quantitative family of research for this class. Underneath the quantitative family of research, as is the same with the others you can see, there are specific quantitative research designs. They might be a quasi-experimental research design, a cross-sectional survey research design, but there are specific designs, and that's the second layer of the hierarchy of research. The third one, and this is really confused often by graduate students, are quantitative methods. These are different than designs. A research design tells you how you're going to approach the research. It tells you many different things depending on the design. But within a quantitative design, you will have quantitative methods. So you might have a survey method, or you might have an experimental method, but you will have specific methods, and that's different than your research design. All right, so that was just a quick and dirty explanation, but think of research as having three layers. What's the family of research? For you, it's always quantitative in this course. What's the quantitative research design you're proposing? And finally, what quantitative methods are you proposing to use? Thanks.